morning, team. You know what time it is. No, not actually time to make a monster stove, but we are still looking at stoves. This one is from Lixada. It says on there, paid for it myself, a couple bucks. And this one doesn't actually have a name on it, but it did come with a dent. And it's like, it looks exactly the same in every way to the Lixada one. So, just, you know, this is probably just the generic, unbranded one, and it's probably just the same thing what they slapped the name on. These are also the same size as the Tom shoe, but maybe it's because this is black versus the silver. These look bigger. I don't know. I don't know. But this one, this is the unbranded one. Look at that. That wall was not placed in there correctly. So probably won't be using this one. I mean, I guess I could probably mush it over. I think this is just it's just like a rounded piece of aluminum that they just kind of, you know, circled up, crunched up, put in there, and then when it expanded, bloop, it's supposed to fill out the underside. So I'm not going to be using that, but I will be doing a boil test on the actual Lixada branded one. So let's get to it. And for those wondering, yes, I am out here to be a little safer. No, nothing happened last time. Here's our iPad. Just wanted to be a little safer. And no, I did not scorch my chair last time because I had coasters underneath the pan. So that's fine. Okay, 2 ounces of yellow heat, or as the kids say, yeet. There we go. I got a little on the outside. That might actually help it prime up. We'll see. There we go. Oh, wrong side. Oof, there we go. I know, it was a few seconds. There we go, got the stand on there. Let's see how long it takes to prime. Okay, it's almost full bloom at almost 3 minutes, maybe. It's weird, it's kind of blowing around and there's no wind in here, so that was kind of concerning. Anyway, we got, 3 minutes. Okay, let's put it on 3 minutes. And we'll see what happens in a little bit. Oh, just so you can verify the time. See, it was at 3 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so here we are at 9 minutes. I'm kind of a dum-dum because I forgot to put the lid on it. But we are almost to a boil. I mean, it's doing bubbles. It probably would be boiling if I had the lid on. One thing I noticed on this one over the Tom shoe is it's burning better. It's going over the sides, as you can see. So that's at least an improvement. Sorry, Tom shoe. Okay, we are back. 13 minutes. Sounds like it's boiling. Whoa, that is boiling all right. Wow. It probably would have been boiling even faster if I had put that lid on earlier. Okay, let's see how long it goes for. So 3-minute bloom time, 10-minute to boil. Well, so here we are. I missed it again on film. I was watching it from in there, but it just went poof and just went out. Literally just hit a pop and went out. At, I don't know, 24 minutes, 30 seconds or so. So at the Lixada, it was, yeah, as you remember, 3 minutes to bloom, another 10 minutes to boil, and 24 minutes total burn time. Just got a little dent there. I don't know if that was already there or if it's because I just dropped it when picking it up before I started this filming. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty impressive. It's kind of got that rattle from the inner sleeve bouncing around. Not really fond of that, but I mean, other than that, hey, this works pretty good. Works better than the Tom shoe, even though it looks just like it. So cool. Hey, you know what? Let's fill this up with water. See how well this holds. Yeah, I know. Ignore my sink. All right. There we go. All right, make sure that's on there tight. And there you go. And just to prove I did actually fill it up with water, Alright, so yeah, this actually did, the Lixada one did pretty good. Still though, that rattle kind of gets me, but I don't know, maybe this will go in my pack since it is pretty light. I didn't get a weight on it. Alright, come back right back with the weight. Yep, real professional here, that's what I am. It weighed in at 31 grams. I'm sure maybe like 1 gram of that's probably maybe a little extra water. Let's just say 31 grams. So yeah, still super lightweight and a lot better than the Tom shoe. Gosh, I hate dogging on Tom shoe because that one looks really cool, but I wish it did better. That's that black one from the last video. Anyway, so yeah, the Lixada was only, gosh, I think it was under $5 on Alibaba. Not affiliated, bought this with my own money. So I might consider packing this one, but gosh, that old trusty Trangia, it's hard to beat too, even though it weighs, you know, twice as much. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. Safely do a science. See you later. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.